The objective of this training is to teach you a range of different techniques and processes that make exciting surfaces. These surfaces are for drawing and painting on. These processes can elevate a simple drawing into an artwork, and you will be able to use what you learn for the rest of your career. They are great for making connections to artists. You'll work with a broad range of media, such as watercolour, instant coffee, various inks, acrylics, gesso, and even polyfiller. You'll learn how to stretch paper and how to make a blending stump. The list of materials you require to complete this training are in the description of this video. There are lots of them because you're going to learn lots. If you purchase the video individually, you get lifetime access. If you access it via a subscription, you can watch it as many times as you like whilst your subscription is active. Either way, you can take your time completing it. As well as access to the video, you will be able to download all the good examples that I create in the video, as well as the images I use to create them. So that means you can go on and use these projects in the classroom. These are useful to inspire your students. This video is 1 hour 5 minutes long. However, I recommend allowing 6 hours to complete the tasks within it. When you reach the end of the video, you will be able to download a certificate that will have your name, the name of the course, and the duration on it. The duration will be 6 hours. If you're ready to get creative and learn new skills to use with your students, don't hesitate. Make a start today.